You are the master instructing the computer. So you should know what to instruct, what to code, to understand the problem first. What is the problem? Sum of integers from 1000 to 10,000. So you have a lower limit, right? You have a lower limit and you have a upper limit, right? This is important for such kind of programs. You must ask it. And in this problem, it is also very clear that he said only integers. So the data type is given to you, lower bound is given to you, upper bound is given to you. Operation, what is the operation to do? Sum is given to you. And even if you want to say, okay, print integers from 1000 to 10,000, print is the operation there, right? So and as someone said, oh, I want to learn swimming, so I got 10 books, let me read it. Oh, I want to learn swimming, I bought online books, let me read it. I want to learn swimming, I listen to masters who has already swam for hundreds of kilometers. Oh, I want to swim, I want to watch YouTube videos. Oh, I want to learn swimming, I want to watch other experts talks. After doing all this, can you swim? No, you can't. In order to swim, what is that you should do?
Practical experience.
Yes.
Jump into water, sir.
Yes, sir, absolutely. You're right, Ritvik. So, and Ravindran sir, yes, just jump into water. That's the right thing to do.
It was very well taught. All the tips for memorizing of programming language, everything has been given. I'm sure the students are benefited very much by this talk, and we would like to organize few more in future. We will be in contact with you. Okay, thank you very much, sir, for a well organized session. Very well taught. I would like to thank even our management, our CE sir, whose presence made our day. Then our principal, Usharani madam, and our vice principal, Ramanjanaya sir. Then the IQAC coordinator, Shilpi Dham, and our HOD, Durga Kalla madam. Then all our colleagues. Then the students, dear students, without whose participation this event would not have been successful.
Yeah, thank you everybody.
Many more webinars in future.
Thank you,
Okay.
Venkys sir.
Yeah.
We look forward to more beneficial sessions from you. And this is this concept of questionnaire is very a different concept, and we welcome that this one. And students, I hope students have responded in good number. And
it is like interactive. That made
Yes,
it interesting, actually.
yes, yes.
So that was a good approach to